Hi guys, today we're making another video about fire extinguishers, and apparently we have this one, and I'm going to look at it, and apparently I was looking last month, it's still charged, but this month I looked at it and it was empty, so yeah. And now if you squeeze it, it's also missing the pin, by the way. Nothing happens. So I have a new fire extinguisher. It's the new one by Kid, and it has the metal handles and everything. And I already have all of the servicing tags and stuff, and this one is full. So let's change it out. First thing is we have to open the thing, which is very hard to open. And I hope this one fits in that one's bracket, but okay, there. And then now the only hard part now is getting the bracket on. Okay, there. This one's way easier to get off with this one, see? Never mind. As off the tags, it's full. There you go.